Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so to do this firstly we have to install Dolby On from Play Store, so you have to enter Play Store. Here in the search we have to search Dolby On. Now we have to install the app. Now we can open the app. Here we have to click skip. We can click not now, we don't have to create an account. And by clicking this button, we are gonna audio record with way better quality. And basically, that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!